Welcome to the in front of me Realme C21Y, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first, just select the application, press for a while and drag it to another application. And as can you see right now, we got here the new folder. If you want to add one more app here, just repeat the action by the same way you can add the app here. If you want to also, we can give a name or edit the name. Just tap here, type the apps, and now you can see that our folder is renamed. If you want, you can also move here on the screen your folder or between the screens. By this way, just hold for a while and drag it where you wanna just turn your folder. Also, if you wanna just remove the application from this folder, just hold for a while and drag it here on your screen by this way. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.